Hey everyone, this is Padmini from MangalaCity.in back with another food recommendation video brought to you by Aruna Masalas. So I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. Guys, today's food recommendation video is from a very famous restaurant at Mangalore, which has stood strong since decades in providing great service and amazing food to its customers. It's none other than Palki Restaurant located at Jyoti Circle. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know what I have on my plate today. So firstly we have the mutton banarasi, the chicken biryani, the chicken kali mirch, chicken ghee roast and sabzi hari manbhari. So I can't wait more to taste these amazing dishes and tell you how it was. Tada! So here is my plate and I can't wait any longer to try out these amazing dishes and tell you how it is. So first let me go for my favorite chicken ghee roast. Guys, you know chicken ghee roast is Tulunad's famous dish and not all can provide the authentic Tulunadu ghee roast taste. I must say that this ghee roast is one of the best ghee roasts that I have tried so far. And as it says, Palki with a lot of experience has definitely made the ghee roast much better and is one of the best places to eat ghee roast. Now after the ghee roast, let me go for the mutton banarasi. Guys, I want to tell you that I'm not a big fan of mutton and not a very regular eater of mutton, but this looks nice and I want to see how it tastes. This is one thing I want to tell you, that for a non-regular eater of mutton like me or a new mutton eater has to try this dish because it is very soft, very well cooked, and if someone wants to try mutton for the first time, then this is the dish. The mutton banarasi is the dish for you to try. It is amazing, and if I have this dish more and more, I'm definitely going to turn into a mutton fan. Now let me go with the biryani, as I'm a biryani lover. And in this biryani, I can see the specialty is not the big pieces of chicken, but shredded pieces of chicken. And first let me taste the chicken. The real biryani taste. The chicken, the boneless shredded pieces of chicken are very well cooked. It has got all the masalas well combined, and the flavors are still here. And now I want to go for some of the rice. One of the best biryanis, definitely. So, you know, guys, having the biryani with your hands is really enhancing the taste. And very nice. I can't stop having the biryani. Guys, this is one of the best biryanis, chicken biryanis I've tasted. Now let me go for the chicken kali mirch. Okay, as the name suggests, kali mirch. Uh, it's nice. Seems like there's a lot of cashew in this dish. It's supposed to be a cashew based dish with a little bit of spices and some coriander. It's really good. There are boneless pieces of chicken in this dish and very easy to have, very well cooked as well. Now one more thing, I was just thinking why not order a veg gravy this time with all the chicken and mutton dishes. And let me try this. Sabzi hari manbhari. I can see some paneer pieces, some capsicum, mushroom pieces, onions. This will go definitely very well with the biryanis or the rotis. So for all the vegetarians out there, this veg main course dish, the veg hari manbari, is amazing. Goes really well with the roti. So this is also definitely must try. So Palki has been one of my favorites, and I don't know if you all know about this. That Palki has won several awards, which has been featured in the national television. And I'm not shocked about this because Palki has definitely provided me with an amazing, tasty, yummy dishes with real great quantity. Definitely worth the money, worth the time you spend on having the food. So what are you waiting for, guys? I'm going to finish off all this and have more of that because the quantity is amazing. So guys, you order your dishes, your favorite dishes from Palki restaurant, and let me know how it is. So guys, do share and like this video so that you show your support to our local restaurants, our people during this time of pandemic. So this is Padmini signing off from mangalore-city.in. We'll be back soon with another food unwrapping video which will be brought to you by Aruna Masalas. Stay home and stay safe. Take care.